Welcome to NextEd, Nexuspace's Tech Education. In today's lesson, we dive into the heartbeat of every embedded system, the basic electronic components. Whether you're an engineering student, a DIY maker, or a future innovator, these are the building blocks you'll use everywhere. Electronic components control, manipulate, and direct electric current. To build intelligent devices, you need to understand how each component works, how they interact, and why choosing the right one matters. Today, we'll cover resistors, capacitors, diodes, and transistors in detail, with real-world applications and tips. Let's start simple, with the resistor. As the name suggests, a resistor resists the flow of electric current. It helps control voltage and current in a circuit. Key points. Ohm's law. V equals I times R. Voltage equals current times resistance. Measured in ohms. Ohm symbol. Applications. Limiting current to an LED. Voltage dividers. Pull-up and pull-down resistors in microcontrollers. Without a resistor, components like LEDs would burn out instantly when connected to a power supply. That's why proper resistance calculation is critical. Use the color code to quickly determine resistor values. Next, we have capacitors. A capacitor stores electrical energy temporarily and releases it when needed. Key points. Units, farads, but often microfarads, nanofarads, or picofarads. Basic formula. Q equals C times V. Charge equals capacitance times voltage. Behavior. Charges up when connected to voltage. Discharges when disconnected. Applications. Power supply filtering, smoothing ripple. Energy storage. Timing circuits, RC circuits. You'll often find capacitors next to microcontrollers on PCBs, filtering noise and providing stable voltage. Diodes are the one-way streets of electronics. Key points. Allow current in one direction only. Block current in the opposite direction. Symbol, arrow with a bar in circuit diagrams. Types of diodes. Standard diode, protection against reverse polarity. Zener diode, voltage regulation. Light-emitting diode, LED emits light. Protecting a battery-powered microcontroller from wrong battery connection. Bonus tip, always add a small resistor with an LED to prevent burning it. The transistor is one of the most important inventions in human history. Key points. Types. BJT, bipolar junction transistor, current-controlled. MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor FET, voltage-controlled. 3 parts. Base, B. Collector, C. Emitter, E, for BJT. For MOSFETs, gate, drain, source. Main functions. Switch, turn circuits on/off electronically. Amplifier, boost weak signals, used in radios, audio devices. Controlling a motor with a tiny microcontroller output using a MOSFET. Microcontrollers alone can't drive motors, but with a transistor switch, they can. Let's look at a real-world mini-project. Lighting an LED through a resistor, controlled by a transistor acting as a switch. Today, we explore the foundation of all electronics. Mastering resistors, capacitors, diodes, and transistors sets you up for designing real embedded systems. In our next session, we'll step into the world of power management and PCB design fundamentals. Subscribe, stay tuned, and build your future with NextEd.